Hey, hello, guys. My name is Rexon Belmonte, and I'm your host. And today we have a guest named Maria Cielo. Wow. And
Hi.
today we will be discussing about the attitude and behavior of Indian people. So, hey, Maria, how's your day?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, have you ever noticed about Indian about on your life?
Yes, I have encountered Indian people sometimes.
And what did you observe about them?
Well, I think they have some certain accent and also how they speak. So I guess it's kind of shocked me, but I think it's fine.
Same also. Okay, let's dive into the topic. First thing first, what are two positive attitudes of Indian towards the use of English language and what are our observation? Okay, first I observed that Indians likely use the English as a language in academics since most of their textbooks is about English and knowing that measures their academics, especially students, you may say. And also, learning English actually helps them po- foster good jobs in abroad, especially in America, since it's the universal language. And English is crucial for them on landing good job opportunities, like call center, like that. Okay,
Mm,
how about you, Mariashela?
I see, but for me, I think the negative attitudes about the Indian people towards English language is that they see it as a kind of symbolism for how you are high or how you are low, or like this class stratification, as we say, or social stratification. So if in English people or some people who are fluent in English find an Indian who are not that fluent enough to speak, they think that they are not educated or like they belong to some lower class groups. However, if they see that Indian people speak so fluent or like they have some certain accent, they see it as wow, they are like in a high class or high status in life. And also, I think that based on the video, uh, Indian people see that it's kind of losing their social or their cultural identity or their native language as English continues to be dominant around the world.
Okay, next, let's dive into the next question. What are the behavior that we notice, especially the kinesics and chronemics? How
Well,
about you,
for
Maria
me,
Shella?
okay, so well for me, the kinesics and chronemics in Indian people when they are speaking is that they are fast paced, they use hand gestures, they are performing an eye to eye contact, which is make the conversation more relatable and also engaging. They also use as
Mm,
they also perform a leaning forward to be able to converse in a conversation.
okay. We also observe some of them when we converse, like when we talk about their accent, they get a little bit defensive, like we can actually see on their body language, like they frown, sometimes they even cross their arms, like their accent doesn't mean that um uh, they are bad at English, but as long as we can understand them, that's what's important, right?
Yeah, I think that's what's
Okay.
important.
Okay, so s- this is a quick take about the video. We should respect each other, right? Like when we don't know about a certain language like English, doesn't mean that it reflects what our capabilities, right?
Yeah,
Since we humans have a lot of um uh, up and downs, and English is not a measure of that, right?
yeah.
Okay. Okay, how about we conclude that? our video, Maricelo?
So, in conclusion, I think we need to respect just what you have said. We need to respect others' cultural roots or nature landscapes. And I think we don't need to discriminate them for having a different accent because we already have a um different backgrounds of our culture. So I think that's what's more important.
Yes, correct. That's what we should do to each other so we can live in peace and we can communicate better and gooder. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. This is our podcast. Again, I'm Almonte Rexon Dave and this is my partner, Maria
March.
Flores. And we will now conclude our podcast. Bye bye, guys.
Bye. See you.